So here we see industrial preparation of ethanoic acid. In the factories, how do they prepare the ethanoic acid? What is another name for the ethanoic acid? Quick vinegar. Okay, vinegar. So in the question they may ask, write the industrial preparation of the vinegar. So vinegar means what? Ethanoic acid. Okay. So the industrial preparation of vinegar involves the fermentation of alcohol. Already I posted video in Hindi what is fermentation. Now you understood, I think. Okay. So vinegar involves the fermentation of alcohol. In this method, that means alcohol is changes into another method, another state by using the yeast is called as a fermentation. In this method, a tank with holes at the bottom to allow air circulation is used. The tank is filled with wood shavings and mixed with ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate is useful in increasing the bacteria population. Bacteria population is what? Yeast. Yeast is very important to make the ethanoic acid or to make the alcohol. Okay. So here when you see the diagram, this diagram, bottom what is that? Holes are there. Na? This holes helps to get the oxygen, air, to go air inside, and some wood shavings. Wood shavings is wood, na? So lakadi ka small pieces, na? Shavings. So and 10% of ethanol is added slowly to the tank from above. Ethanoic acid is produced in the lowest portion of the tank by fermentation process. Fermentation means yeast changes the ethanol into the ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid produced as a result is known as a vinegar. So what is vinegar means? Ethanoic acid is called as a vinegar. And the concentration of ethanoic acid in vinegar is 3 to 4%. Pure ethanoic acid which is free from water is known as a glacial acetic acid. Its boiling point is 118 degrees Celsius. So what is glacial acetic acid? Underline this point. Pure ethanoic acid which is free from water is called as a glacial acetic acid. So like that only we saw for the alcohol. If the alcohol is free from the water, so it is called as a absolute alcohol. Okay. And the water is diluted means it is called as a rectified spirits. So like that only, if there is no water in the ethanoic acid, it is called as a glacial acetic acid. To test whether ethanoic acid has been produced or not, sodium carbonate is added. So to know that whether what we get result is ethanoic acid or not, sodium carbonate is added. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. When it is added, after acid has been formed, then the carbon dioxide gas would be released. So to know when we add this one, immediately carbon dioxide will be released by giving some bubbles. Okay, bubbles means in the water we see like bubbles, na? Like a balloon, it is the water bubbles. So here what they do, they take the one tank, bottom the holes are there, holes helpful to go to air, and then some wood shavings are there, understand. Then afterwards what are the chemicals they added? They added the ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate, okay, filled with the wood mixed with ammonium. Wood shavings are mixed with the ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate will be increase the formation of bacteria. Okay, and in the preparation of alcohol, ammonium cyanate helpful for the ammonium cyanate or ammonium sulfate. They also use ammonium sulfate to increase the yeast reproduction. And 10% of ethanol is added. When it is added, automatically it will be changing into ethanoic acid. To know it is ethanoic acid or not, we add the sodium carbonate. That time carbon dioxide is released. So it is sure that ethanoic acid is formed. Okay. So ethanoic acid is acidic in nature and most acids are soluble in water. So ethanoic acid is what? Acidic in nature and ethanoic acids are soluble in water. However, high molecular weight alkanoic acids, fatty acids, for example, citric acid are insoluble in water. Citric acid means lemon and orange. They have the citric acid. Citric acid will not dissolve in the water, but it is also one kind of carboxylic acid, but ethanoic acid is mixed in the water. Okay, so if that acid has the high molecular weight, they don't dissolve in the water. Okay, so because of their acidic nature, they turn blue litmus into red color. Let us learn more about the chemical properties of the some alkanoic acids. Understand? Okay, so some properties we will see. The first one is the salt formation. Properties of alkanoic acid. Salt formation. Okay, so here I think here is the arrow mark, na? Yes, it gone here. So see in your textbook page 279. Salt formation. Since alkanoic acids are acidic in nature, therefore they react with bases. Alkanoic, why they say means alkanes, na? So CH3 alkanes. 2 carbons also, it is what? Ethane. Understand? So it is the ethanoic acid. COOH means acid. Ethanoic acid. So, since alkanoic acid is acidic in nature, therefore they react with the bases. So ethanoic, actually when the acid react with the base, they give the salt and water, na? So like that only ethanoic acid also have the acidic nature. So this acid will be reacting with the base. Base means NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and they gives the Na means sodium. So it is, what is its name? Sodium acetate. It is one kind of salt. Okay, and then water is released. And another one similarly, so here this is what? Calcium formate. Okay, sorry, it is the methanoic acid. HC, one carbon, so methane. So methanoic acid, when it is react with the calcium hydroxide base, it is giving the calcium formate. HCOH, another name also we say formic acid, na? That is why calcium formate, and water is released. And the next one when we see, okay, so name the product formed when acetic acid react with the magnesium hydroxide. So acetic acid means we also can say ethanoic acid. Okay, so ethanoic acid, another name also we say as a acetic acid. Understand? CH3COOH, another name is ethanoic acid, also vinegar. Please write the name. Here CH3COOH, it has the names of what is that? Acetic acid, one name. Okay, acetic acid. Another name is what is that? Vinegar, and another name is ethanoic acid. Okay, so ethanoic acid. Understand? So when acetic acid react with the magnesium hydroxide means MaOH. Okay, twice. So it also gives what? It gives the CH3COO and Mg, magnesium acetate, plus water, H2O. Okay, so this is the one. So next one, acetic acid reacts with the sodium carbonate. This is the sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate to form salts with evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Okay, but when acid react with the salt, like sodium carbonate is one kind of salt, another one sodium bicarbonate. Okay, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, it is the baking soda. So Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, washing soda, sodium hydrogen bicarbonate, baking soda, another name. It is the sodium carbonate, another name washing soda. They ask the question like that only, what is another name for the sodium carbonate? That means it is the washing soda. What is another name for the sodium hydrogen carbonate? Is the baking soda. So it is one kind. Sodium carbonate is also one salt, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also one kind of salt, and sodium chloride is also one kind of salt. So this acetic acid, when it reacts with the sodium carbonate, what it is giving the result? It giving the sodium acetate, water, and releases the carbon dioxide gas, because CO3 na carbon dioxide releases. And again acetic acid, when it reacts with the sodium hydrogen bicarbonate, it forms the sodium acetate, water and carbonate. Arrow mark like this means gas is released. Okay. So balance the two equations given above. Can you think of some activity to test the presence of CO2 gas, to know whether CO2 gas is there or not? Okay, so what to do?